Who's to my? This is the 2017 CPO'd C300 you were asking about. It is a 2-litre inline turbo 4 engine, and the warranty does go until what, 2023, I think it was, off the top of my head. I'd have to double check and get that to you exactly. As you can see, it is beautiful. It's got that polar white exterior, and it does have a macchiato beige interior. It is an absolute gorgeous vehicle. You can see the grille with the front star there. It is a 7-speed 4MATIC, so it's going to be perfectly suited for the climate up here in Maine, especially when that snow starts to come. Because it is certified, it does have the unlimited warranty. We might just bring you back down to the wheels again. I know that you were concerned about the tread on the tires, but as you can see, there is quite a bit of tread left in there still. They do meet the standards, and it's quite deep. It goes about that far in. I don't know if you can see that. All right, we'll bring you around and show you inside the vehicle. It's actually very well taken care of, and the condition is perfect. You can see that natural grain dark ash wood there. It has the Burmester Sound System. It has memory seating on the driver's side, a heated steering wheel. It comes with all those wonderful, useful little things. It has a premium package on this vehicle, so that you have all those wonderful things like the SiriusXM trial. All right, you look in here, you can see up into the roof. It does have a sunroof, a panorama sunroof, which opens up and lets in all that beautiful lighting. It has the LED headlamps and the keyless go as well with that premium package. Super useful. Let's go around and show you inside the trunk. They have so much more room than you first believe. With all that space that goes out into the back, you can fit quite a lot in here. Has all those things that you need for if you're taking a holiday. We just washed it, so it's a little bit wet and slippery, and I can't get it with my nails. Alrighty, there you go. If you'd like to see more, or see it in general, or know more about it, I know we spoke about it on the phone not long ago, but you can give me a call, 207-510-2250, or you can email me back at nkavanagh, that's KAVANAGH, @driveprime.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.